Hello guys, so this is my first video and I'll be sharing my recipe of white sauce pasta with you all. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll chop all the vegetables. I have yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, capsicum, broccoli, onion, and garlic. So make sure we cut it into small eatable sizes because बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा होता है तो बच्चे नहीं खाते हैं या हम भी बहुत टाइम नहीं खाते हैं. So make sure छोटे छोटे pieces हों. And then we have all the vegetables here. Then we have 2 tablespoons of maida, 1 tablespoon of, according to your taste, we have you can take black pepper and red chili powder, then butter, cheese, pasta, and vegetables. And cheese is, you can add cheese and you cannot, it's your choice totally. So these are all the vegetables, where garlic, so we'll put garlic first and then rest vegetables बाद में इकट्ठा. So we'll heat the pan and add butter, ghee, or olive oil, whatever you want. But don't use mustard oil because mustard oil अपना कलर देगा और उसकी वजह से white sauce pasta may be yellow or brown हो जाए. So, and then after we have heated the butter, we'll add garlic and we'll roast it for a while and then add onion just for 1 minute, not even 1 minute, just 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we'll add onion and then we'll fry it until it becomes a little soft, and then we will add all the rest of the vegetables. And we'll stir fry the vegetables so they don't lose their crunchiness and doesn't even also feel raw. And once the vegetables are done, we'll transfer it into a plate. And if you think आपकी vegetable सूखी लग रही है तो you can add more butter in between. Butter, oil, ghee, whatever you use. So we'll transfer the vegetables in the plate and let it cool for a while, and we'll prepare white sauce meanwhile. So we'll heat the butter again, and as the butter gets melted, we'll add maida and roast it for a while, for just 1 minute. And maida will give a texture like melted cheese, and then we will add milk to it slowly and gradually. And make sure there are no lumps in the sauce. Make sure you whisk it very nicely and finely.
थोड़ा सा और दूध मिलाना है.
And if you think your sauce needs more milk, it needs to be more slurry, then you can add more milk as per your choice. Like, it should not be very watery and it shouldn't be very thick. And once our sauce is done, we'll add vegetables, black pepper powder, red chili flakes, and any herb you want to add. And then after all that, we'll add pasta. Sorry, I missed that clip. So where I added the vegetables. It's my first video. And then cook it for like 2 minutes and it's done. Transfer it and eat it, serve it